This view is way too nice. I don't know if you can see, man, but you see my double-sized bed, and then my couch right there, and then the beautiful window of like ocean view and like the whole view up down the mountain. Oh my god, it's nice. Ooh, look at that. God damn. Look how beautiful that is. I got people watch all day right here. Just like stare at them, and as they drive up the mountain, I'm just looking at them. They got the temples right there. It was raining earlier. It was just so beautiful. The rain just paddle, paddle, paddle sound. And look at that ocean view over there. Look at that. Damn. Dude, tell me this view is not nice. And that view over there, nicer. I got some candy I'm gonna eat right now. They're like rock candy and like they jump in your mouth. Popping candy. So they're called popping candy. And yeah, I'm gonna eat some popping candy right now. Yeah. Oh. Now we're just popping them out. I'm just admiring this view all by myself. I'm gonna sleep so well tonight. Like I can sleep on the couch, like fall asleep here, and then just roll over onto my bed. That'll be like heaven. Now I'm thinking I should probably stay an extra day. I'm thinking about it. I feel like I might want to stay an extra day here. Just to sit in the hotel, you know what I mean? Hostel. Well, I booked a really nice hostel. I didn't want to do like the mixed dormitory just because I saw how beautiful this window was, and I was like, I have to buy this room just for a good view. Yeah. Dude, this view is crazy. That's crazy. Look at that. So beautiful. And it's raining. Yeah, it's raining. And it's raining. Oh yeah, it's raining. I'm under the umbrella. Very nice. Very nice. Oh. Here we go. They're saying this is the street. This is the view. And I'm here to find it. It's supposed to be right here. Somewhere around here, Heathers. Let's see. I do not see it so far. However, it's like some beautiful lantern view. Is it this? That view down there is kind of nice. That's a nice view. Oh, look at this. It's so beautiful. We got a bar right here too. God damn. Oh my god. Holy shit though. Honestly, I'll stay here for 2 days. Should I? I'm not sure, honestly. Oh, I think this is it. This is it, guys. This is the place. No, it's not. Just kidding, guys. Just gotta keep walking. Damn, look at that car wash though. Clean car. Free car wash. Oh, there it is. Look at that. The famous view. That famous view. And we're gonna go up this staircase. Whew. There's a lot of good food around. Once I finish taking videos and photos, I'll go eat some good food. And a bar. Maybe. Dude, I'm a professional yapper, man. What am I talking about right now? Let's go up. We're going up this thing. My foot is getting wet. I think I'm actually heading up a residential area instead of where I'm supposed to go. I think it's very much so. This does not look that right. Oh, maybe it is the right place. Look at that. There. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. The wind is strong. But not stronger as me. Not stronger than my will. And I'll keep going up. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. Let me go over here first. I think this is the view. Look at that view. Oh, you don't see anything though. Huh? I think I'm supposed to be over there. That's where the view is, over there. Yeah. Well, how do I walk there? There has to be another view. I'm missing something. But the view is so nice. Look at that shit.